Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix overheating problems on your Android phone. I'll be showing you within Samsung's version of Android, so some of the settings options may differ slightly on your device. If you can't seem to find the page I'm on, you should be able to get there by using the search function at the top of the settings. Let's get into the methods. First, we'll check on apps that could be causing the overheating. If you think certain apps are the cause, then you can focus the methods on these. Open the Settings app and then scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. On here, look for any apps that either cause problems or just change these settings for as many as possible. Tap on each app, and first you could tap on Notifications to disable these, especially if this app sends unnecessary ones. Head back and tap on Permissions. Here you could disable as many permissions that you don't require the app to use by tapping on each permission. For example, on a weather app, you could make the location permission only for when the app is in use, and disable precise location. Hopefully this will limit the background activity for a lot of apps that could cause overheating. Next, we'll check some of the display settings. Open the Settings app again and look for an option called Display and Brightness or similar. In here, you could simply lower the brightness to prevent some overheating, but there may be other settings options that we can change as well. For example, there could be an option to change the motion smoothness or refresh rate. Lowering this might help. You could also lower the resolution if you have this option, or change the screen timeout setting. Lower this and your device won't stay on as long when left idle. The next method is to remove any unused widgets if you have them on the home screen. To remove a widget, long press on it, and then choose the option called Remove or Delete, and confirm this if it asks. Next, we'll think about the physical environment of your device. If you have a case, try using your device without one to see if this helps with the overheating. Also, try not to use your device in direct sunlight or when the ambient temperature is warm if you're worried about the overheating. It might be a good idea to disable any connection features when you aren't using them to prevent any unnecessary background activity, such as your device scanning for networks or devices. This includes Wi-Fi, data and Bluetooth. You can turn these off by using the buttons in the Quick Access panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access this. Next, try turning on Low Power Mode or Power Saving Mode. You may be able to do this from the Quick Access menu as well, but you should also find this option in the battery settings. Search for battery on the homepage of the Settings app to get here, and try with this on. Whilst we're in the battery settings, look for any other options that might reduce background activity. For example, on Samsung devices, there's an option to put unused apps to sleep. It might be worth updating your device, especially if you think the overheating problem is caused by your current version of Android. Search for Software Update on the homepage of the settings to check for and install any new updates for Android. Next, try and think about exactly what causes the overheating. If you play games on your phone, these will use a lot of resources and will almost certainly heat up your device, especially if you play for long periods of time. If you do, try and have a break to allow your phone to cool, and look out for any specific things that cause overheating in order to try and prevent repeating this if you can. If you think there is a significant overheating problem or even basic tasks cause the overheating, then I'd recommend taking your phone to a repair shop in case hardware is causing it. If your device gets hot while charging, this is normal to some extent, but if it remains hot, make sure you stop it from charging if it has already reached 100%. Also, it's best to use the charger that comes with your device if you still have it. That's how to fix overheating problems on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.